Good morning, students.
Good morning, sir.
Students, I'm gonna ask you some questions. If you know the answers, you can write the answers in the chat box, or you can unmute yourself and answer the questions. So, what is a rectangle? What is a rectangle? Very good, Samragi. Four-sided closed figure is known as the rectangle. अलका, very good. चार भुजाओं से घिरी हुई आकृति रेक्टेंगल कहलाती है. Students, what are you actually seeing in the pictures? Very good, Samragi. That's the Ludo and the matchbox, dice and the matchbox. Very good, Alka. What kind of a shape of these have? The above shown pictures, what kind of a shape these have? Anyone? Very good, Samroggi. These are the cube and cuboids. So today we will discuss about the cube and the cuboid. So here is the topic, cube and cuboid. What do you mean by vertex? What do you mean by vertex? Pradeep?
Yes, sir.
What do you mean by vertex?
A corner of a shape is called as a vertex.
Very good. बहुत अच्छे. Very good, Samragi. A corner of a figure is known as the vertex. So my next question is, what is the formula for the area of a square? Here is a square whose side are A and A. So what is the formula for area of a square? Anyone? Very good. Samragi. The side into side is the area of the square. Very good, Alka. भुजा का स्क्वायर का एरिया अर्थात क्षेत्रफल कहलाता है. So we will discuss about the cube. Cube is a solid three-dimensional geometric figure bounded by 6 surfaces. I think you are watching these. These are the surfaces. A closed figure which is three-dimensional and that is bounded by 3 surfaces is called a cube. And each of these sides or faces of a cube is A. Here I have taken I have taken few measurements like A1, A2, A3. These are the sides of a cube and these are all equal to each other. So how to find the area of the cube, the surface area of the cube. So there are 6 surfaces in this cube. This one is the front one and the back side one, 2, idhar wali, yes, 3, 4, 5 and 6. There are 6 surfaces in the cube. So if we need to find the surface area of the cube, we need to find out the area of one square first of all. So area of the first square is A into A, that is A square. So now there are total 6 surfaces. So the total area should be 6 into A into A. That means 6A square. So here is the formula 6A square, which is the surface area of the cube. So now the next is how to find the lateral surface area of a cube. There is a term, the lateral surface area. The lateral surface area means the area of the 4 walls. The area of the 4 walls. So basically, the area of the 4 walls, basically you are sitting in a room that is enclosed by 6 surfaces. The upper surface is known as uh, the, uh, the the roof, the downward surface is known as the floor, and the remaining surfaces are the walls. So when we talk about the lateral surface area, that means the area of the 4 wall. Are you clear? So we know that the total surface area of the cube is going to be 6A square because it consists the 6 surfaces. That's why the total surface area of the cube is going to be 6A square. But when we talk about the lateral surface area, so we have to remove or we have to reduce the top and the bottom area. That is, we have to reduce the 2 square areas. That means the area should be 6A square minus A square plus A square. That is gonna be mathematically 6A square minus 2A square. That is equals to 4A square. That means if you talk like this is the 6A square and roughly if I calculate this is gonna be 4A square. So in 6 we have to less 6A square minus 4A square, that is sorry 2A square, my mistake. That is gonna be 2A square. So the resultant is 4A square. So the literal surface area is gonna be 4A square. How to find the volume of a cube, or what is the volume of a cube? If a cube consists the if a cube consists the side A or the edge A, then the volume of the cube is gonna be A into A into A. That is equals to A cube. So the volume of the cube is A cube. So students, what are you watching in the picture? Anyone? Alka? If you know the answer, write in a chat box or unmute yourself. What do you see in the picture? Pradeep? वेरी गुड
सर
सम्राट।
ब्रिक्स दिखाई दे रही है सर पिक्चर में।
हाँ हाँ प्रदीप।
सर बिस्किट्स दिखाई दे रहे हैं पिक्चर में।
वेरी
पार्ले
गुड,
जी।
दीज आर द बिस्किट्स। So what is the shape of these biscuits?
So the shape of this biscuit is rectangle.
Very good. So what is the formula for the area of a rectangle?
Sir, it's length into breadth.
Very good. If a rectangle have the length L and the width B, then the area of the rectangle is gonna be length into width. So we will discuss about the cuboid. So cuboid is a also three-dimensional figure as the cube was. So a three-dimensional geometric closed figure which is formed by six rectangular plane surfaces. In a cube, we have discussed that there are square shaped faced, but here the three-dimensional geometric closed figure which is formed by six rectangular plane faces. Your room is maybe it should be or it may be a cuboidal shape because it has the six rectangular faces and each set at a right angle to the four adjacent to it. That means each faces adjoins with a right angle, that means with a 90-degree to another side. So the total surface area of the cuboid, how will we find? So there are six surfaces in the cuboid. So each surface consists the different areas. So there are six surfaces, and each and opposite faces are equal to each other. That means this wall and the just behind this wall, just behind this surface. That means इसके ठीक पीछे वाली जो wall है, वो आपकी दोनों equal surfaces होंगी. The roof and the floor are equal surfaces, and this wall and this wall is gonna be equal. So if we find the total surface area, we need to find the area of these all six walls. That means the area of front wall, that means this one is length into breadth. This one, the length into breadth, that means the floor. And in the same way, this wall contains the area breadth, that means B into H. In the same way, this side is gonna be H into L, and similarly the opposite wall is gonna be H into L. The roof walls is gonna be B into L, and this side of wall is gonna be H, B into H. So we have the common terms like LB, BH, HL, again LB, BH, and HL. And when we combine them, it's gonna be 2 times of L into B, 2 times of breadth into height, and 2 times of height into length. That means the total surface area of the cuboid is gonna be 2 times of length into breadth plus breadth into height plus height into length. The next topic is how to find the lateral surface area. Again, I have already told you that the lateral surface area means the area of the four walls. So the lateral surface area means the area of the four wall. Again, that means we have to reduce this, the roof and the floor. That means we have only four walls, this one, the front one, the opposite one, and the right one. The area of the front wall is gonna be length. This is your length, that is L, and this is your height, that is H. And area of this wall is gonna be breadth into height, and the area of the opposite wall, that means just behind this wall, is going to be again length into height. and the area of this wall is gonna be breadth into height. That means the total, the literal surface area is 2 times of L into H plus B into H. Here, the bracket is missing like this. Now we will calculate it. So we will get 2 times of length plus breadth into height. Are we clear? So now the next is finding volume of cuboid. So here I have shown the cuboid. It is the cuboid whose length is L, whose breadth is B, and whose length is H. So the volume of the cuboid should be L into B into H, length into breadth into height. So it will give you the volume of the cuboid, and its unit is gonna be unit cube. Students, now I'm gonna ask you some questions and you have to answer by unmuting yourself, or you can write the answers in the chat box. So what is cube? Pradeep, answer me. What is cube?
Cube is a closed surface. Cube is a shape which consists 6 vertex and 6
Very
sides.
good. Yes,
All are equal
very
in
good.
length.
So what is the volume and total surface area of a cube? Anyone? Samragi? Unmute yourself.
Yes, sir. The volume of the cube is L cube,
Very
and
good.
the total surface area of a cube is 6 L square.
Very good. So volume of the cube is L cube. If you have taken the side as L, and the total surface area of a cube is gonna be 6L square. Very good. So the next question is define cuboid. Pradeep, unmute yourself and answer the question. Define cuboid.
Sir, cuboid has 6 length and 6 vertices, but all are not in same length.
Very good. So a solid three-dimensional geometric figure bounded by 6 surfaces are called a cube. But these surfaces must be equal to each other. That means it should be a square. Volume of a cube, as we know, that is equals to a cube. If we take the side as a of that cube, the total surface area of a cube is gonna be 6a square. And a three-dimensional geometric closed figure formed by 6 rectangular plane faces known as the cuboid. Are we clear? So students, write down the homework as I have shown to you. Have you written it? Pradeep, Samragi?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, very good. So thank you, class.
Switch off the recording, Kuldeep.
For sure, madam.